This is one of the reasons that we wanted to switch to a motorhome and instead of the truck and trailer. And, we're really going to see what it's like. We're going to go in.
What if I told you Elon Musk just changed everything? Again, a fully loaded, high-tech Tesla motorhome for just $17,000. It sounds impossible, but it's real, affordable, and ready to disrupt the entire auto industry. This isn't a concept or a rumor, this is happening now. And once you see what's inside this groundbreaking vehicle, you'll understand why the automotive world is absolutely losing it. Hold on tight, because the future just pulled into your driveway. Revolutionary technology features. Tesla's new motorhome brings smart, green, and exciting technology into one powerful package. It works with more than one type of power. Like other Tesla vehicles, it runs on an electric battery system, but that's not all. The roof has solar panels that turn sunlight into energy. Whether you're driving or parked, the panels collect power and keep the battery full. This means you can travel far without always needing to stop at a charging station. With good sunlight, you can even camp in remote places and still have power. Another big change is the water-based power system. This system uses a smart process called reverse electrolysis. It takes water and turns it into clean energy and water again. There is no smoke, no smell, and no pollution. It works quietly and safely. You can run your motorhome using water and sunlight, which makes travel cleaner and cheaper. Tesla keeps the price low by building almost everything on its own. They don't buy many parts from outside companies. This saves money and helps them control quality. The body of the motorhome is made with strong, light materials like aluminum and carbon fiber. These materials help the motorhome move easier and use less energy. The design is smart too. Some parts of the frame do more than one thing. For example, a frame section might also help store energy. This kind of thinking makes the vehicle stronger, lighter, and more efficient. It also cuts down the time and cost of making it. Charging is easy and quick. The motorhome works with Tesla's supercharger network. These are fast chargers placed all around the country, so even if the solar power or water power is not enough for some reason, you can still charge up fast and get back on the road. This motorhome gives you more than a way to travel. It gives you freedom. You can go off-grid, live on the road, or take long road trips without worry. But cutting-edge technology is only half the story. What really matters is how all this innovation translates into a living space that feels like home on wheels. Design and living experience. Tesla's new motorhome looks clean, modern, and ready for any kind of journey. The outside design is smooth and stylish. It has a shape that moves through the air with less resistance. This helps the motorhome save energy and gives a better driving feel. It also adds to the quiet ride. The body is strong but light, made from smart materials like aluminum and carbon fiber. These materials keep the vehicle efficient and safe without adding weight. On top of the motorhome, there are built-in solar panels. These collect sunlight and power many of the systems while you drive or rest. You can camp in the sun and charge your battery without plugging in. That means more freedom to explore places away from cities. The size is compact, so it can drive through small roads and park in tight places. Even with the smaller body, the inside space feels open and comfortable. Inside, it feels more like a small apartment than a vehicle. The layout is smart and gives room to move, sit, and sleep. There is a soft bed, a full kitchen, a clean bathroom, and a cozy seating area. Tesla used earth-friendly materials, including bamboo and recycled surfaces. These materials are strong, long-lasting, and better for the planet. They also give the interior a warm, natural feel. The kitchen has a stove, sink, small fridge, and storage for food and tools. It lets you cook full meals while on the road. The bathroom includes a toilet and a shower with water-saving features. Everything is built to be compact, useful, and easy to clean. The bedroom has a comfortable mattress and space to store clothes and other items. The seating area is soft and can change into a work table or extra bed. This makes it flexible for work, rest, or sleep. Large windows bring in sunlight and show beautiful views from wherever you stop. This makes the inside feel bright and fresh. Smart air systems keep the temperature just right. These systems warm or cool the motorhome without using too much power. You can travel in hot deserts or cold mountain roads and still feel comfortable inside. The lighting is soft and can be adjusted easily. The controls are simple and placed in smart locations. Tesla added voice and touch systems to help manage everything. From lights to climate, you stay in control without stress. While the physical design creates comfort, it's the smart technology woven throughout that transforms this motorhome into a truly connected, living experience. Advanced technology integration. Tesla's new motorhome comes with smart features that make travel simple, smooth, and more fun. The inside is packed with helpful technology that keeps you safe, connected, and comfortable on every trip. Right at the front, there is a big touchscreen. It sits in the center and controls many parts of the motorhome. You can use it for maps, music, lights, and air settings. It feels like using a big tablet. The system is quick and easy to understand. While parked, you can also use it to watch movies, play games, or scroll through video apps. The motorhome has built-in Wi-Fi and 5G. This means you can stay online even in faraway places. You can send emails, join video calls, or just relax and stream a show. You won't feel cut off from the world while you are on the road. Tesla made this motorhome work well with smart home devices. If you already use things like smart lights, cameras, or alarms at home, you can link them to the motorhome. Many features can be controlled using your phone. The Tesla app helps you check the battery, turn on the lights, adjust the inside temperature, or lock and unlock the doors from far away. If you forget something or want to set things up before getting in, your phone can do it for you. The sound system is another great part. It plays music and movies with clear, strong sound. It fills the space and makes the motorhome feel like a small theater. This is perfect for long drives or quiet evenings when you want to relax. Safety is also a big part of this smart setup. Tesla added many tools that help with driving. The motorhome uses cameras, radar, and sensors to watch the road. It can help with steering, braking, and staying in the lane. These tools are helpful on long highway drives or in busy traffic. If another car gets too close, the system reacts. It can slow down or stop to keep you safe. You also get a 360-degree view when parking. The camera system shows you everything around the motorhome. This makes tight spots or small roads easier to handle. You can park with more confidence and less stress. Inside the motorhome, the lights are smart too. They turn on when it gets dark and switch off when the sun comes up. You don't have to think about it. The air system keeps the inside warm or cool without using too much power. It adjusts itself to match the outside weather. All these advanced features serve a greater purpose, creating a travel experience that's not just smart and comfortable, but also kind to the planet we're exploring. Environmental impact and sustainability. Tesla's new motorhome brings a fresh way to travel, while also helping the planet. It is built for people who want to explore and care about nature at the same time. The motorhome runs clean and saves energy. It uses smart systems that protect the Earth and support green living every step of the way. This motorhome does not need petrol or diesel. It moves with electric power and a special water-based system. This setup makes energy without smoke or harmful gas. When the water system runs, it creates power and gives off clean water. There is no bad smell, no loud engine noise, and no damage to the air. You can travel far and wide without leaving a mess behind. On the roof, there are solar panels that gather sunlight during the day. These panels charge the motorhome while you drive or park. You don't need to stop at fuel stations all the time. The sunlight gives you free power. That energy is stored in a smart battery for later use. This makes it easy to go off-grid and enjoy quiet places without worrying about running out of power. Tesla also made smart choices with the battery. Many electric vehicles use rare metals that harm the ground when taken out, but Tesla's new motorhome uses fewer of these materials. The battery is also made to last longer and charge faster. This helps the planet and saves time during trips. Inside the motorhome, the company used earth-friendly materials. The floors are made from bamboo, which grows fast and is strong. Some of the walls and surfaces are made from recycled parts. These parts look modern and clean while helping reduce waste. The natural look and feel of these materials make the space calm and relaxing. One of the biggest changes is the water-powered engine. Water is safe, easy to carry, and does not burn like fuel. The system breaks water into two parts and turns it into clean energy. This energy runs the motor and also powers lights, fans, and other systems inside. It works quietly, so you can enjoy peace during travel. Even the lights and air systems are designed to save energy. The lights turn on only when needed. At night, soft lighting helps you move around without using too much power. The air system keeps the space cool in summer and warm in winter. It adjusts itself depending on the weather outside and does not waste power. All these features work together to make this motorhome friendly to the environment. It lets you live and travel in a clean, quiet, and smart way. This environmental revolution doesn't just benefit the Earth, it also creates powerful economic advantages that could reshape how we think about travel costs and living expenses. Economic implications. Tesla's new motorhome brings change not only to travel, but also to people's daily lives and the world economy. It runs on clean power, which helps save money. There is no need for petrol or diesel. This cuts down the cost of fuel on every trip. The motorhome uses electric power and a water-based system to move. Both are cheaper than fuel and better for the planet. This motorhome also needs less fixing. It has fewer moving parts than regular engines. There is no loud motor, no oil changes, and no long trips to the repair shop. This means fewer problems and more savings over time. The parts are built to last longer. They stay strong after many miles. For people who live or travel often in motorhomes, this can save a lot of money every year. The motorhome comes with a kitchen, a bathroom, a bed, and places to relax. This helps cut more travel costs. You don't need to stop at hotels or restaurants all the time. You can cook your own food and sleep in your own bed. This feels more like home and is better for the wallet. For families or full-time travelers, these savings can be a big help. The motorhome also makes a bigger impact. As more people use electric and water-powered vehicles, the world might start using less oil. This can change the global fuel market. It can lower the demand for oil and reduce stress on countries that rely on fuel sales. Countries can start to look at other energy sources. The world could move toward cleaner and safer energy in the future. The motorhome boom may also create jobs. More factories will be needed to build the motorhomes. These places will need workers. Designers, engineers, and tech experts will help improve the systems. Mechanics will need to learn how to fix and care for clean energy parts. This growth in clean travel can bring new training, skills, and careers. Towns and cities may also see benefits. Motorhome users often visit small places to shop, rest, or explore. Local shops, restaurants, and gas-free stations can all grow with this kind of travel. The money brought in by travelers can help small businesses stay open and busy. Tesla's motorhome also shows that smart design can help people and the planet at the same time. People can enjoy better travel while saving money and living cleaner. The world can cut pollution, reduce oil use, and grow new jobs. These small steps can lead to bigger changes. These economic benefits are just the beginning of a much larger transformation that's about to shake up entire industries and change how we live and travel forever. Market disruption and future outlook. For years, motorhomes have been too expensive for most people. Many cost more than $100,000, with some going even higher. These prices kept them out of reach for average families or young people who wanted to travel and live on the road. Tesla's motorhome changes that. It brings a new level of access. Now, more people can explore the world, live in comfort, and enjoy life on wheels. This motorhome gives you style, comfort, and clean energy at a price that makes sense. That alone is a major shift, but it also puts pressure on other companies to rethink their pricing. Tesla is showing that high quality does not always need to come with a high cost. Other makers of RVs and luxury vans will need to react. They might lower prices or work harder on features to keep up. Another big change is how this motorhome helps the environment. It doesn't run on fuel. It uses electric power and solar energy. There's also a smart water-based power system. All of this means less pollution and a smaller carbon footprint. Tesla is showing that travel can be fun, clean, and smart all at once. This sets a new standard for future vehicles. Other brands may now feel pushed to create cleaner and greener options too. As people become more aware of climate problems, eco-friendly travel is gaining attention. This motorhome leads the way. It helps travelers lower their impact while enjoying freedom and comfort. More car companies may follow Tesla's example, which could lead to better, cheaper, and greener motorhomes everywhere. Tesla is not just building a vehicle, it is also building a movement. People who drive Teslas often feel like they are part of something bigger. They share tips, travel stories, and life on the road. With the motorhome, this idea grows even stronger. Many Tesla owners already join clubs or online groups. They meet up in real life to talk about upgrades, features, and travel plans. With this motorhome, those meetups could become road trips or campouts. Owners can share stories and visit new places together. This builds friendships and makes travel more fun. Tesla's charging network also helps bring people together. Drivers meet at charging stations, swap tips, and learn from each other. It becomes more than just a quick stop. It's a shared part of the journey. This makes Tesla owners feel connected, even if they live in different places. There is also a bigger social effect. With housing prices rising in many cities, some people are looking for new ways to live. A clean, smart, and affordable motorhome could be a fresh answer. People who can't buy a house might choose this kind of living instead. It gives them freedom and control over their space without paying high rent or huge home loans. Some might live in these motorhomes full-time. Others may use them part-time, like for weekend trips or summer vacations. Either way, it gives people more choices. For students, young couples, or workers who move a lot, this motorhome offers comfort without a big cost. It is a real option, not just a dream. As more people look for flexible and low-cost living, these vehicles may help fill that need. Cities might even see more motorhome communities in the future. These groups could support each other, share power, and build friendly spaces where people live differently but still feel at home. Tesla's motorhome also supports new ways of working. With built-in internet and solar power, you can work from anywhere. You could park by a beach, in a forest, or outside a city and still do your job. This makes remote work easier and more fun. It also brings work-life balance to a new level. The future looks bright for this kind of vehicle. Tesla plans to improve the motorhome over time. There could be new sizes, more features, or models made for full-time living. As technology improves, the solar panels and batteries may get stronger. That means more time off-grid and fewer stops to charge. Other companies are also paying close attention. If Tesla succeeds, more brands may try to join the market. This will lead to better designs, cleaner engines, and more options for buyers. The travel and auto industries will need to adapt to keep up with this new trend. Tesla's $17,000 motorhome changes everything. It's smart, clean, and made for the future. Travel, live, and explore like never before. This is only the beginning. If you're excited about what's next, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the future of travel and tech.